Breadboard 400,830-point Solderless PCB Breadboard MB102 SYB 170 SYB 46 Protob. Breadboard 400,830-point Solderless PCB Breadboard MB102 SYB 170 SYB 46 Protoboard ZY204 Test. Boards jump wire for Arduino kit review. A breadboard is a versatile tool for electronic prototyping. It allows you to connect electronic components together without soldering, making it a great way to experiment with different circuits. Breadboards come in a variety of sizes and shapes, but they all share the same basic design. The breadboard in this review is a 400-point solderless PCB breadboard. It is made of a sturdy plastic material and has a grid of 400 holes, each of which is connected to a copper trace on the board. The holes are arranged in a matrix, with 10 columns and 40 rows. This makes it easy to connect components together, as you can simply insert the leads of the components into the holes. The breadboard also has a number of features that make it a great choice for prototyping. For example, it has a power rail and a ground rail, which can be used to provide power and ground to your circuits. It also has a number of jumper wires, which can be used to connect different parts of your circuit. Overall, this is a great breadboard for electronic prototyping. It is affordable, versatile, and easy to use. If you are looking for a breadboard to help you with your electronic projects, I highly recommend this one. Here are some of the benefits of using a breadboard. Versatility. Breadboards can be used to prototype a wide variety of electronic circuits. Ease of use. Breadboards are easy to use, even for beginners. Affordability. Breadboards are relatively affordable, making them a great option for hobbyists and students. Here are some of the features of this breadboard. 400-point solderless PCB breadboard. Sturdy plastic material. Grid of 400 holes, each of which is connected to a copper trace on the board. 10 columns and 40 rows. Power rail and ground rail. Jumper wires. Here are some of the things to keep in mind when using a breadboard. Be careful not to short out the power rails or ground rail. Make sure to connect the leads of the components to the correct holes. Be careful not to bend the leads of the components too much. Overall, this is a great breadboard for electronic prototyping. It is affordable, versatile, and easy to use. If you are looking for a breadboard to help you with your electronic projects, I highly recommend this one.